All right, here we go. What I wanted to show in this video is actually these ramps. These ramps are actually from Ford, and they fit within the side of the bed, and actually are made for 2020 models and below or previous. And what sucks is that this wicked tool, kind of tailgate scenario doesn't really work with this, so we've kind of done a little bit of a modification to it just to be able to use the safety slide-in tailgate piece. Anyways, so let's go into actually putting these in and mounting them. So these side, again, pieces that come with the truck, which is awesome to tie down stuff. They just slide out to unlock them first, but once they slide out, you're now able to use the brackets that come with the actual, again, ramps for that. And so how these work is they actually hook on top, this piece slides behind and up, and then you tighten it. So down, in, up, and tighten is typically how this works. And tighten first. There you go. Goes on. Continue this for 4. I can figure out how to speed up the actual installation, I'll do that. If not, then you get to sit and watch me do this, which I bet is fun. So the great thing about these is they're with your truck all the time. So if you ever have to load something and you need ramps for it, ATV, motorcycle, you name it, they're there, they're attached, and actually out of the way, which is the best part of the whole thing, which I love, is that when you need them, they're there. When you don't need them, they're out of the way, and you just go do your normal thing, which is great. But as you can see, it really doesn't take that long to install these. Now, the other part of this is how this works is these go towards the front of the actual the piece, and they lock in. So this goes in, falls into place like so. Use one of these like so. Now the piece about this one is because it is the 6-foot box, you actually have to extend them, which is no biggie. You extend them and it fits, but this just goes in. It's just locked tight, which is perfect. Front's in, back comes with a cable. It actually does come with, if you are so lucky to buy them for $1,500 plus tax, Canadian. And at order, they come custom ordered with your truck, with the key that works with your truck, so you can lock them. Now, I didn't buy them brand new. I bought them used, and not only did I buy them used, but I bought them without the lock because, of course, it's custom order. And with that said, just buy a $10 lock to rider to strap that in. So it's that easy when it comes to putting these in. As mentioned, just plug it in, use the piece, line them up. So as you can see, again, the reason why I didn't do the back one over there is because with the modification I'll show you shortly, what I plan on doing is having the piece be portable, because that actual piece, that plate right there, is supposed to be on the back of your tailgate the whole time, which is fine if you don't have the workstation, etc., and it's there for when you need it. But since I do have the workstation and it's actually not made for this vehicle in the aspect of that tailgate, the modification has been done so that I can take it on and off, and actually prefer it a lot better, because why wouldn't I? These are portable, why not make that portable as well? So anyways, how this works is this plate goes right on the lip, and what I've done is modified it so that we can actually put in the little bolts here, screws here, etc., so that, see that, lines up like so, and then this lip uses back here, slides on, locks in place, which absolutely is amazing. So with that said though, one of the things that I wanted to show is that we modified it like we did to make it slide onto here. And what I did was left this one piece out because I used this one corner to lock it in. This piece, angle it behind the slats. So, screw it in. So, anyways, I have to finagle a little bit, but I wanted to say that that's how easy this is. It's that quick. And one of the things I'm going to do is use the bottom of this and actually use straps across, because I wanted to get the dividers, but why spend $200 more, $300 more, whatever they are, to actually get the dividers, when typically you put a board across, or you can now put straps across and actually section using this piece as your tightening thing. Anyways, there you go, guys. Hope that was helpful. And if you have this truck, you should get these ramps. Ta-da!